What's up, traders? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to another daily review. So just some housekeeping stuff before we get into it. This daily review is sponsored by Edgeful. Make sure to go check them out. Link in my bio. We'll speak about a couple of stats that I did use to take some trades today, but we had a losing day. So let's get right into it. Okay, you can see we're selling off here across the S&P 500. So coming down through previous days' lows, and that's something that I was looking at. Unfortunately, I didn't take that trade. I took some Microsoft longs in the New York session. I tried to catch this move above previous days' highs. Now, if I bring up my Edgeful statistics here, right? Let's go to the Edgeful website. As you can see, let's go to stocks. Let's go to my favorite section. Let's go to the previous day's range, and let's go to MSFT, Microsoft, and let's go year to date. So let's go like that. As you can see, year to date, if we take out the previous day's highs, 74% of the time we actually close as a bullish closing day, and vice versa for the shorts, 81% of the time. Now, if we go by weekday, on a Tuesday, if we take out those previous days' highs, actually 87% of the time on a Tuesday, year to date, we actually close as a bullish closing day. So that's what made me look for the longs in continuation. You will also notice I've changed my charts up. I've got the green and red charts. So yeah, I like the continuations not to be got stopped out. And as you can see, I actually ended up, geez, I've got a lot of tabs open here. Ended up down $2,000 across my accounts today. So not a great day. The second trade I did have was a DAX shorts, and I try to short the DAX. I can see it's actually coming down now. I try to short the DAX simply because we were trading below previous day's lows. As you can see, previous day's lows is this white, let me just do this white dotted line over here, right? You can see previous day's lows is that white dotted line. And those Edgeful statistics, if I just bring it up again, that's a beautiful thing of Edgeful. It's got all different ones. So let's go over here. Stocks, crypto, everything. Let's go to FDAX. Let's go year to date, previous day's lows. So if you can see previous day's lows on a Tuesday, if we take out those previous day's lows, 91% of the time we actually close as a bearish closing day, excuse me. So knowing that, I wanted to look for shorts. Of course, we had a little bit of a pullback before we get the shorts in continuation. Now we actually are coming lower, heading into the rest of the day. So yeah, two of my favorite reports with Edgeful is that previous day's range report and then that opening candle continuation, which I like using on the US indexes. But yeah, that was my day today. Nothing special. Ended down on the day. We're going to have losing days. And actually was on a coaching call in the Black Shirt Club, which our private mentorship with one of our members, Derek. And we were actually just chatting about this, that you have to take the good with the bad. You can't only be around here for the good times. If that's going to happen, you're going to battle when times of drawdown come. So simple, short, effective daily report card today. But we'll speak maybe a little bit about some other plays here that were possible. As you can see, we were trading below yesterday's VWAP and looking quite nice for the shorts on the S&P. If we come here to the S&P index over here, if we take out the previous day's range, let's go to ES on the S&P. Year to date on a Tuesday, 59% of the time we close bearish if we take out previous day's lows. Now, if you use Edgeful, you actually see some days are more bearish than others. I know Thursdays, because I use Edgeful, ES is actually more bearish on a Thursday, and you'll know some days are more bullish. So pretty a nice play there with that previous day's range report. We did break it here. And then respected it in the pre-market, but then ended up coming down lower. So I think that was probably the play of the day, the S&P 500 shorts. I got my 5-minute time frame. I used to have all black charts. Now I've got a 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, daily chart, but all in green and red. And we due for some pullback here. I think back to this daily 21, this level here would be nice, 6,000 zone. So yeah, just a poor day. And I'm got a couple of things that I am working on personally. Maybe trading less assets, maybe only looking at the DAX and the S&P. And then obviously I love day trading my stocks. Maybe that's something that I need to have a look at. Or maybe DAX, NASDAQ and S&P and then the stocks. So maybe I'm just contemplating, and that's why you see I've trimmed my watch just a little bit. But yeah, just contemplating a few things at the moment. But you always got to look to get better and improve. But again, I will show here. You can come join us on ASFX TV every single day at 9:25 a.m. Link is in my bio as well. Come join us. You get the first month, right, 25% off using the code XMAS. So come join us on stream on ASFX TV, where we give trade call outs. We have some good banter, but most importantly, we're learning and growing together. So come check us out. Link is in my bio, ASFX TV. Use the code Xmas for a 25% off. Okay, so appreciate everyone being on. We'll see you on for the next